Hello guys, welcome back to the TI lectures. Now we'll move to our main topic, that is vaccine against COVID-19. Right? Let's see the structure of the virus. Let's see the structure of the coronavirus first. यहाँ पे मैंने डायग्राम बनाया है. You can see the different parts of the coronavirus, different structure of the coronavirus. Right? Here you can see the important structures like these nutty shell-like structures, which are called as spike protein, which is present on the outer surface of this coronavirus. You got my point? And you can also see here the nucleoprotein present in the genetic material. This blue color present here, it is a genetic material, and this genetic material is RNA. On this RNA, there are present some spherical-like structures. These are known as nucleoprotein structures. Got my point? And also here you can find some black structures present between these spike proteins. These black structures are the membrane proteins. So what kind of important regions are present in this coronavirus? Number one, the spike protein is present. Number two, the membrane proteins are present. Number third, the nucleoprotein is present. Number fourth, the lipid membrane is present. And number fifth, the RNA as a genetic material is present inside. Got my point? So let's see how this coronavirus infects our cells of the body. The virus enters through our respiratory tract. It needs to enter a cell to replicate itself. For that, it uses this kind of spike proteins. It uses this kind of spike proteins to adhere itself to the cells of our body, and then this spike protein allows this virus to enter the cell and cause infection. Right? Let's see some vaccines in use now. The vaccines which are which are currently used, which are in use now. First, we'll see the vaccine that's known as Covaxin. Covaxin. Right? This Covaxin vaccine is made by Bharat Biotech. This vaccine contains the killed SARS-CoV-2 virus. As I already mentioned in my previous lectures, the approaches how the vaccines are made. There were three important approaches कि कैसे वैक्सीन को बनाया जाता है. So this Covaxin vaccine, इसमें कौन सा अप्रोच यूज़ किया जाता है? The approach number one. In this approach, वहाँ पे मैंने already discuss किया है, the vaccine contains the killed SARS-CoV-2 virus and is unable to cause disease, but our body can still recognize it as a non-self harmful substance and mount an immune response against it. This is the only vaccine in use right now which uses the inactivated virus. You got my point? This Covaxin vaccine, this is made by the Bharat Biotech. और इस वैक्सीन को कैसे तैयार किया जाता है? By using the approach number one. उस approach number one में the whole ऑर्गेनिज्म इज़ बीइंग टेकन, पूरे ऑर्गेनिज्म, पूरे वायरस को लिया जाता है, लेकिन उसको लेके इतना कमज़ोर किया जाता है, उसमें जो डिजीज़ काजिंग एबिलिटी है उसको बिल्कुल वीकन किया जाए, एक्टिनेट किया जाता है इस वायरस को. दिस इज़ द ओनली वैक्सीन इन यूज़ राइट नाउ दैट यूजेस एन इनएक्टिवेटेड वायरस. जो बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द वैक्सीन्स हैं जिनको हम देखेंगे अभी, उनमें जो स्पाइक प्रोटीन है उसको यूज़ किया जाता है. Got my point? Now we'll see the second type of vaccine, that is Covishield. This vaccine contains the fragment of the virus. That means the fragment which forms the spike protein of the virus. You got my point? I already mentioned here that this structure of the coronavirus. It contains different regions and structures. The important here inside, that's the genetic material that's present in the form of RNA. And in Covishield इसमें क्या किया जाता है, the fragment of the RNA is being taken, उस fragment को लिया जाता है जो fragment ये spike protein बनाता है. You got my point? Then जब इस वैक्सीन को, कोविशील्ड को, when it's being injected into the body of a particular individual, then this will trigger and this will be recognized as a non-self and a harmful substance inside our body, and our body immune system will show the immune response that will mount an important immune response against this vaccine. You got my point? But here there is one important thing to mention that कोविशील्ड के साथ जो कोविशील्ड वैक्सीन है, यहाँ पे एक तो आरएनए फ्रैगमेंट को लिया जाता है. नंबर वन, आरएनए फ्रैगमेंट को लिया जाता है. आरएनए फ्रैगमेंट को लिया जाता है. कौन सा फ्रैगमेंट? वो वाला फ्रैगमेंट जो स्पाइक प्रोटीन बनाता है, जो स्पाइक प्रोटीन बनाता है. एंड प्लस चिंपैंजीज एडिनोवायरस, चिंपैंजी एडिनोवायरस, चिंपैंजी एडिनोवायरस को साथ में लिया जाता है, विच एक्ट्स एज ए व्हीकल so that delivers that very particular kind of RNA fragment inside the body. Got my point? Number third is Sputnik vaccine. Sputnik V vaccine. This kind of vaccine, Sputnik V vaccine, it is similar to the Covishield vaccine, but there lies one particular difference between the two vaccines, that in Covishield RNA fragment is being taken, that RNA fragment which is responsible for making the spike protein, plus a vehicle is being used. और vehicle कौन सा है? Chimpanzees adenovirus. Here in the Sputnik V vaccine, RNA fragment को लिया जाता है, that RNA fragment which is responsible for forming spike protein, and यहाँ पे भी एक vehicle को लिया जाता है, and that vehicle is human adenovirus. Human adenovirus. So only one important difference is there between the Covishield vaccine and Sputnik V vaccine, that here the chimpanzee adenovirus is used as a vehicle, and here the human adenovirus is used as a vehicle. Got my point? So the number fourth is mRNA vaccines. Number third is Pfizer and Moderna. Number third is Pfizer and Moderna vaccine. Right? These kind of vaccines, Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, these use mRNA vaccines. These use mRNA fragments. कौन सा mRNA? The mRNA present in the vaccine will form the spike protein of virus and will activate our immune system. As I already mentioned that only the Covaxin जो वैक्सीन है, सिर्फ उस वैक्सीन में पूरे ऑर्गेनिज्म को लिया जाता है, पूरे ऑर्गेनिज्म को इनएक्टिवेट करके वैक्सीन बनाया जाता है, एंड जो द रेस्ट ऑफ द वैक्सीन्स हैं लाइक कोविशील्ड है, स्पुतनिक वी वैक्सीन है, एंड फाइजर एंड मॉडर्ना वैक्सीन है, उन पूरे वैक्सीन्स में वो वाला फ्रैगमेंट आरएनए का लिया जाता है विच इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेकिंग द स्पाइक प्रोटीन, सो दैट आवर बॉडी कैन रिकॉग्नाइज इट एज ए नॉन सेल्फ एंड हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस एंड विल स्पेसिफिकली शो माउंट एंड स्पेसिफिक इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स अगेंस्ट दीज काइंड ऑफ वैक्सीन्स. You got my point? So by looking all the vaccines, by looking all the components of the vaccines, we must override the false belief, the false notion which is circulating nowadays in our society, in our community about the side effects of this vaccine. What kind of side effects? The side effects or many other many other kinds of complications like infertility, like impotency, or any other kind of serious complication or serious problem. So I don't think by looking all the formation of the vaccines, all these the vaccines which are currently in use for treating the coronavirus disease, for treating the COVID-19 disease, for neutralizing the coronavirus, हमने पूरा देखा है किस वैक्सीन को किस तरीके से बनाया जाता है. So I don't think there is any kind of serious complication behind all behind the formation of these vaccines, because there is no यहाँ पे किसी भी किस्म का that means the false belief which is running in our society, which is circulating in our society, that it renders a man infertile. That's totally false. That's false notion, or any other kind of serious complication or serious problem, right? So keeping all this end in view, we say that vaccines work, but that does not mean they don't give us the license to be reckless and let down our God. You got my point? So despite fully vaccinated, safeguard should not be lowered. Masking up is mandatory, masking up is very important, and avoiding crowding, social gatherings is also very important. Thank you very much.
For more related videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel.